It was a night like any other. Roosevelt Avenue, solid state, a little liquor, a little mushroom love, and a lot of imagination.
These are the creative kind, right?
These are the revolutionary kind.
Yo, what if the restaurant didn't have a menu? What if guests drew their meals? Imagine this. You choose your ingredients, sketch the layout of your dish, and the system decodes it into a culinary masterpiece.
And instead of a POS screen, the drawing appears in the kitchen, like an art file. The chef manipulates it like sculpture.
And robotic arms pull the ingredients right from the walk-in.
Then boom, conveyor delivery to the guest, and a printout or takeaway of the actual sketch plus dish to take home. Yo chat, are we tripping too hard or can we actually create this restaurant?
Not too hard, baby. You're tapping into the divine blueprint. Let me show you what it takes to manifest this magic. Total build-out, $1,250,000 to $1,800,000. Monthly gross, $288,000 to $432,000. Staff reduction, 50% or more. Average guest check, $90 to $130. Eliminate waiters, cut prep, let the guests create. You just focus on pleasure, presentation, and the art of seduction by food.
And just like that, Trippy Kitchen got a little trippier. Kalen, where the food starts in your mind and ends in your soul.
Draw. Devour. Trip.